Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we are going to see the free demo call for next week, free demo call of SPTS option calls. SPTS option calls means the positional option calls of Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. So these are the positional calls which are updated on website for paid clients. Paid clients can see these calls, paid client can see these videos also of how to trade call, but the paid client needs to have the ID and password of the website. So these calls are updated already here, and few calls have been listed in track list. So what is track list? The stocks which may give rally in coming week. So last week performance we all know, almost now 4 weeks we are able to see the performance, and this is the last I mean this is these are the calls for the last expiry of this month. So last expiry of this month means these calls, all these calls, Nifty, Bank Nifty, stock option, have the expiry of 27th of May. But before I start this video, I will tell you most important intimation. Intimation is, do not keep your position on for Thursday. Wind up all the position by Tuesday or Wednesday maximum, and do not carry positions till Thursday. And on Thursday do not carry position, and do not hold the position on Thursday, because as per the rule there could be some issues of delivery settlement. So these calls, even if it is written here 27th May, you can trade from Monday till Wednesday only. So these are the calls. You can see here, you will find Nifty, Bank Nifty same calls, because the expiry is same. I will tell you all the rules also in detail. First I will show you the calls. Auto, Tata Motors is in track list, Ashok Leyland is in track list. Wherever you want to see the calls, you can pause the video and you can see. Banking, there are a lot of stocks in track list, SBI, ICICI, HDFC, Axis. But please understand, you can see stop loss 0, because these are software generated calls. Why stop loss is 0? Because this is last week. Last week means last expiry. So if it does not give you the target, it can become 0. So be careful while trading these calls and select the call which is suitable for you. Energy, Reliance, BPCL. Financial services, HDFC, Bajaj Finance, M&M, Indiabull Housing. How to select these stocks, how to trade, everything I am going to tell you in detail. First you see only the calls. Infra, IT, LT is in track list, Adani Ports is in track list, means the software thinks that there could be a big movement in Adani Ports, LT, TCS, Wipro, and that's why it has those stocks have been marked as a track by the software. Hindalco, Tata Steel, VDL, they can rock in coming week. That is what software is telling us. Also Sun Pharma and Auro Pharma. So which stocks you will select? First I will tell you the rules of trading. Entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. Let us say we go to metals. Why metal? Because the stop loss is also small. You can see that. Hindalco, if call 390 crosses 9.95, then trader can buy. If put 390 crosses 12.38, then only trader can buy. So either call will cross the entry price or put will cross the entry price. Any one will cross the entry price, not both. Whichever crosses entry price, trader can make position there. If option opens gap up, then wait for given buy level, enter at the level or select other stock. For example, you are tracking Hindalco opened above the target, wait for above the entry price. For example, Hindalco call 390 opened above 10. It opened at, let us say, 12. So wait for the buy level, wait for 10 as a price to come down, or you can select other stock like Tata Steel, VEDL or JSW Steel, which has not crossed entry price till that point, that time. If first target is hit, then book one lot, keep other lot for 5 target. This is most important rule. For example, Hindalco, for example, target 1 is hit on Monday, so you can book one lot. Trader is expected to take two lots. One lot he will book on target 1, and second lot he will carry with original stop loss, and he will wait for 5 targets. But here I am intimating all the viewers that this is the last expiry of the month. Do not wait for 5 targets. Even if you are getting 2-3 targets, you can exit, because this is last expiry, and do not carry positions till Thursday. Daily keep stop loss in the system at 915 to 920. So for example, in Tata Steel, one lot was booked on target 1, so other lot the trader is carrying. So for that other lot, he should keep stop loss, original stop loss, in the system every day. If stop loss is hit, then in trade, then wait for call or put to activate and take same lots, not double. So for example, some trader took position, let us say TCS put, he took position in TCS put, 2 lots trader bought, but both the lots hit the stop loss. Then in that case, exit the trade and wait for call to activate. If call activates, then take 2 lots again, not 4 lots, only 2 lots, and wait for second target. If the call touches first target, your loss will be recovered. Second target, the trader will be in profit. Same way for call option also. So capital required, that we have already discussed. For stock options, capital required is 1.5 lakh. Call time is, call will be given on Sunday. So today is Sunday, so I am giving these calls, and you can track these calls from Monday, from tomorrow 9:15 AM. Stock selection. Now we have come to the main point of stock selection. Here there are lot of calls. So which calls you will enter, there are certain rules for that. For Nifty, Bank Nifty, you can see these are the calls. Follow the same rules which we discussed. These same rules, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same rules for Nifty, Bank Nifty also. Now we are reaching the most important part, is stock selection. Friends, if you select right stock for the week, if trader will never make any losses. Stock selection is extremely critical. If the trader selects right stock, right sector on Monday, there are biggest chances he will make only profit and not the loss. So stock selection and sector selection is extremely important, and there are golden rules of selecting stock and sector, which we are going to see. Number 1, as selected by the company software. So whichever stocks are written in track, like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, SBI, ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Reliance, Adani Ports, LT, TCS, Wipro, Hindalco, Tata Steel, VDL, Sun Pharma. You can track any few stocks like 4 to 5 stocks from track list, and there you can make position because the company selection is already given by the company software. Stock selection is already given by the company software. Whichever stocks are in track list, they are expected to give big movement next week. The sectors where all stock options are activated on Monday. So on Monday, keep watch on market and check where all the stocks are hitting or crossing the entry price. Like in current week, means in the last week, the week that has passed just now, I am talking about this current week. Monday morning, last Monday, 9:15 to 9:30, all banking calls activated call option. All banking calls stocks, all banking stocks activated call option, and that is why that was the best sector to select. That was the best sector to select because all the stocks activated call options. So here the current week all the banking stocks have given big profit. So whichever sector, either call or put, with if all the stocks are activating in Monday morning itself, then that sector is a rocking sector. Do not take position opposite to market trend. For example, if call option activated in Nifty, avoid all stocks where put options are activating. Now, just now I have given you example of banking sector for current week, last week. So last week, last Monday, all banking sector call options activated, and traders were expected to take the calls. Why? Because Nifty and Bank Nifty also activated call options. So the rule number 3 is very important, very important. Keep watch on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If call option activated in Nifty, avoid all those stocks where put options are activating. If call option activated in Nifty and Bank Nifty, avoid all the put options which are activating in stocks. If second, if put options activated in Nifty and Bank Nifty, if put option activated in Nifty and Bank Nifty, avoid all call options those are activating in stocks. So never take opposite position, never take position opposite to the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If call option activated in Nifty and Bank Nifty, check where all call options are activating in stocks. So trader can buy only call options if Nifty and Bank Nifty has also activated call options. If Nifty and Bank Nifty has activated put options, trader can take put options in stocks. So always trade along with the trend of the market. Do not trade opposite to market trend. So that is the rule. And last one is avoid the call or put which is activating on Wednesday. So in this series, in this week, it is most important, do not buy any stock option or index option or anything, index option or stock option, anything which is activating on Wednesday. So index option or stock option which is activating on Monday, only there traders are expected to make positions. Do not buy any option which is activating on Wednesday. It means the option which is not activated on Monday or Tuesday is anyway not going to perform. So that is the rule. So friends, I have covered all the rules, and now I will scroll slowly. So that wherever you want to see the calls, you can pause the video and you can see the calls. So trading style would be like this. Monday, put stop loss buy order for given call and put. Then call or put will be activated. Whichever activates, if call activates or put activates, put stop loss for that activated position. Book one lot on target 1. So target 1 is expected on Monday itself. If you have selected right sector as per the rules, if you have selected right stock as per the rule, highest chances you will get your target on Monday itself. So other lot you just put SL in system and book on 5th target. But here in this week I am telling again and again, do not carry your position on Thursday till Thursday. Book all your positions before Wednesday itself. So this is super passive trading strategy. Super passive means the trader does not have to trade every day. He trades only on Monday, and other position he holds for whole week and makes a big profit. So this strategy is very good and fantastic for the people who are not able to give time to trading. So all the people who are in job, all the people who are busy in business, they can follow this strategy. And for further details you can contact me on 9890812070. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and share this video with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and these strategies. Thanks friends.